So in this video we are going to learn about WordPress training for beginners 2020. So guys, let's begin. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So now let's get back to WordPress for beginners. So to install WordPress, we need a hosting and domain. So basically WordPress is a free content management system. You can create a website, but then you need a domain and a hosting. So basically domain would be this wordpress.org. So you could create your own domain. So I have a domain called yavarkhan.com. So you need to purchase a domain and hosting. And Bluehost is one of the best web hosting for WordPress. If you want to launch your website, this is the best web hosting. They give you a free domain, free SSL, and they help you have one-click WordPress installation, which means you can install WordPress in 3 seconds, which I'm going to show it to you. And then they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with them, you can just go and get your money back. And guess what, guys, just for you guys, I have a 70% discount. So as you could see, Bluehost is a bit expensive, but I've tried everything else. I've tried GoDaddy, I've tried HostGator, I've tried all the other ones as well. So if you come over here, the list of web hosting, and WordPress also recommends Bluehost. I've tried SiteGround as well, and for me, I say Bluehost is the best. So you have to select this, get started, fill in your credit card details, purchase the hosting. So the domain is free. So when you purchase hosting, you get the free domain. Once you purchase it, again come back to Bluehost, and then once you get your login ID and email, so all you have to do is click on login. I'm just going to click on login, and then I'm just going to show you how you could create your own website. Click on my sites, create a site, and then you can just type demo 3 and put in your site tagline. This is just for demo purposes. I'm selecting one domain. I'm just gonna type demo 3, and then just install everything and just click next. And within 3 seconds, guys, 1, 2, and 3. So guys, as you could see, within 3 seconds we have installed WordPress. Very easy. So just click on login to WordPress. So my website is loading right now. So it's very simple, guys. You don't have to start coding. It's very simple to create. So now I'm just not going to explain you everything. I'm just going to explain you some crucial parts, the most important part. So just click here. You can go and visit your site. If you want to create a new post, all you have to do is post, add new. If you want to create a new page, add new. So post is this. So if I could just create a post, so I'm just going to show you an example. Post 1, copy, paste, publish. So congratulations, you have posted your first post. So if you want to start blogging, you could start right away. There are a lot of things which you could do. You could make your website much more beautiful. So if you could click over here, appearance themes. So you could install any themes that you want. You can click on add new and install a new theme. You can install all of these themes. So if I just click on activate, so if I go back to my website, you have installed a new theme. So your website looks really different right now and really good. So you could customize as you want. And that's it for the video, guys. I'm not going to explain you much in detail because remember in the beginning I told you I have a free bonus for you. So guys, I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a free course, a lot of reviews, people are really liking it. Just click sign up, and it's a free course. You would learn everything about WordPress, how to create a WordPress website from scratch, SEO friendly, how you could make a professional website, and techniques to get free traffic to your website, and also how you could start making money online. So everything's there. So go and check out, and I would see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you find this really valuable, please consider subscribing, and thank you.